So we came back from Victoria Peak. We live on the land. Now we're on the island.
You can take a ferry from here and go over there,
Yeah,
which is where we live.
Yeah, I hope this one ferry bring us to the different side.
Remember sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow.
Right here you can see the tallest building in the Hong Kong.
Yeah, it's like twice the size of the other skyscrapers. It's just crazy.
You can see these buildings. It seems like they're small. They're not small at all. It's 100 floors building skyscrapers. But this one is really big. It's almost 500 meters and it's 11th tallest building in the world. From this side on the island you also can see the skyscrapers. They're everywhere. It's the biggest amount of skyscrapers in the world in this city. It's just crazy.
Yeah, so this fact which we told you about earlier was the correct one, but because speaking English was false.
Small amount of people talking good English here.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to explain yourself to them.
Yeah, and usually it's students or probably some international students. The local people talking in Chinese.
We're going to explore this part of Hong Kong a little
this
bit,
island.
and we are going to take the ferry back to our place, go to Victoria Harbour.
Okay, let's go.
Someone told me about you.
There's a lot of Teslas here. Every fifth car is Tesla. Teslas. This Maserati have number and it says Flay. We reached the restaurant, which we grabbed some dinner. It's Ho Wan.
Traditional dim sum place. There's a pretty big queue to sit in the restaurant right behind us.
But you can order takeaway and
That's what we did.
there is a lot of options in the menu, almost all of them with the pork. We found this one with fish. I hope it will be tasty. So also interesting fact, this restaurant is the cheapest restaurant with the Michelin star in the world. And it's located in the shopping mall. which
Yeah,
is
maybe
very
they
cool.
have some other places in the town.
Yeah, probably. It's a chain, I think. The queue is big. For takeaway, you should wait for 10 or 15 minutes. Probably, I'm not sure, maybe this queue takes 15 minutes. Okay, we'll see what we ordered. So we found their menu with pictures, because usually they give you like the note where you check with check boxes, but there is no picture what we ordered.
So we don't know what we got actually.
We ordered some fish paste.
Deep fried eggplant with fish paste and red beans. Because it's an eggplant here, there's a little bit of fish and salt fried together. No, it's just what was in the menu. We expected it to be in a bun or in a dumpling or something, but it isn't.
Yeah, pretty like it. A lot of egg taste, but small taste of fish. Let's go to take a place on the Wonder Wheel. And also we try to find some Hong Kong waffles. Really want one.
And maybe dim sum.
So there is pretty cool service in town check-in. So you can drop your bag right in the city center, and then
On the day of your flight.
yeah, and then this bag goes to the airport on your plane, and you spend the day without the bag. It's pretty convenient for these people who check out and have their
Because
flight at the evening.
All the airlines provide this service, and I think you should have bag included in your ticket to check in here. And
Definitely.
also, you will take your boarding pass just from here if you check in here. And then you go to the airport and fly away. And your bag will be already on your plane.
Or not,
Pretty cool.
because
yeah.
we know how the airplanes loves the lose your baggage. So we're going right there. Big queue.
You need to stay in this queue to go to the Ferris wheel.
Oh my gosh.
Or we can figure out how to buy it online.
At this time we were successful. We tried to buy a ticket for the Ferris wheel.
Online?
Yeah,
Because
online.
there was a big queue.
But there's a bad Wi-Fi, and then the payment was freezed. But then we tried from another Wi-Fi. Then we got SMS from our bank, which is in different phone, who was a really small charge.
Battery left.
Yeah, and then our SIM card not working in this phone, our Russian SIM cards. So then we finally got the SMS and finally got the tickets. We spent
All
on that.
for this Ferris wheel, which takes the trip takes 15 minutes, and we spent 40 minutes to get the tickets. And now we have to go there and again stay in one queue, but little one, because other people who want to buy tickets has to go to the big queue.
It's already dark, unfortunately, so the video will be not so great. Okay, let's go. So we still need to be in the queue. It's pretty big. So the first queue was really fast, and we're almost there. We need to pass this queue. Then we go there. So we're here in the cabin. Let's go. And if it's time and right, it's 3 minutes to the light show. Maybe we can see it
From the top.
Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles.
We were on this wonder wheel. Otherwise,
Okay.
otherwise it's not so interesting at all.
It's a good view at the top.
Yeah, probably at the daylight, maybe it's better, or maybe not, I don't know. We exit from the wheel one time before the laser show, so, and our neighbors in the cabin was disappointed, I think, but I don't understand them, so I'm not sure why they screaming.
Yeah, they were like, no.
And we here, and there's a laser show, but
It's not so.
it's just the lights from the buildings, from the skyscrapers, and they just like flash through the flash to the sky. But it's so small and so thin lights, so you even can't see it. I've seen laser shows where draw different
Some
images
pictures.
or movies on the sky, but that's not like this. I think it's just some tradition.
Yeah, because it happens every day.
Now
we are
we-
going to take a ferry.
Take a Gong Kong waffle and go to the ferry and go to our site and go to the land site.
Here it's called egg waffle.
Yeah, it's not a Gong Kong waffle at Gong
Like
Kong.
no French fries in France.
Yeah.
Just fries.
Yeah, it's tasty, but I wanna like cream on it or ice cream or something. But it's just they sold only like this. But it's pretty good.
Be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. All the trips we had are adventures.
So we're on the ferry. Pretty simple, but it's really cool to.
Yeah, and we got in last minute. Let's go. We don't have good seats, so we stand.
Pretty cool to change the usual public transportation.
And it costs just $200.
We're moving pretty fast, so I think it's several minutes and we will be on the land. This was 5 minutes trip. Really cool place.
It's called Din Tai Fung, and it's like a food chain, I guess a fast food. So we ordered some vegetarian dumplings and 2 vegetarian buns, like dim sum, which we were looking for 2 days and we couldn't find any without pork. And we finally did in our last night. Instructions, what you're supposed to do. So you put some soy sauce and your ginger, like this. When I get the bun, I'm supposed to put it here and it's gonna be tasting better. Then you're supposed to place your bun inside this dish and you should make a small hole in the bun. The broth will go out. Then you can eat it because it's gonna be not so hot anymore. I will try to do it correctly. They already checked that we drink the tea. Fixed charge for Chinese tea or water. It will be charged on the amount of people in the day. There there's probably a big queue and you take a ticket and will be charged by the amount of tickets you took. Even if your friends left, you pay for them. So they brought us our dumplings and one person goes here and serves this thing and the other one takes it and puts it on the table, which is really strange. So it's really hot. He opened and the steam came out. So let's try it first without anything. It's really good. You should order more. Yeah, because they close orders in 10 minutes. It's really good.
I think that's all for our second day in Hong Kong. I want to say goodbye to you and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
See you in the next one.